Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, I want to share a video on how to launch your HYONIX, which is your VPS server. So, after you paid for your VPS server, how can you launch your HYONIX on your PC and started using it? So, follow me. Then, after you log into your server that you activated, so you just have to come to this your search bar on your PC. Just search for remote. When you search for remote, you see remote desktop connected. Then I already connect a server already. Then I need to open the remote again. Then when you get to this page that is said computer, then you come to this page, you copy your address and you come back here, then you paste your address to that computer, then you click on connect. When you click on connect, it will pop up username and password. Then you come to this username, copy, it is administrator. Then you go back to your server, you paste it. Also the password, you don't need to reveal the password. Then you paste your password and you can click on remember and click on OK. Then you wait for it to load. You can click on don't ask me again and click on yes. Your server is connecting. Then boom, you are inside your server. Here you go. You are inside your server. This is your server. Another PC. It looks like a PC. So you can download any browser you want to use here. You can see the default browser here is Chrome browser. So this is how to launch your Hyonix server after payment. Thanks for watching with me. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.